นะคะตอนนี้นะคะแพรอยู่ที่บูธ Harley-Davidson ที่งานไทย GP ค่ะซึ่งตอนนี้แพรตื่นเต้นมากเลยค่ะเพราะว่าแพรจะได้คุยกับนักแข่งชื่อดังนะคะคุณเจมส์ริสโปลีค่ะไปคุยกับเขากันเลยค่ะไป
I'm James Rispoli. My nickname's Hog Spoli, and I ride for Harley-Davidson Factory Racing in the Kingofthebaggers series.
It is the first time in Thailand.
Yes, first time in Thailand, this part of the world for me.
How about Thai fan when you see them here first time?
Amazing. They all have an amazing big smile, right? It's something different. And there's so many, like, they just come in, like, for an autograph. Like, it's very overwhelming, right? With support. It's good. It's amazing. I think it's a beautiful country. We spent a few days in Bangkok before we came here, which was crazy. It's something I've never experienced. There's so much going on, a lot, right? You have tuk-tuks and people and scooters, and the street food was really cool.
Did you ever try ride the tuk-tuk?
Yes, we got into 2 tuk-tuks.
And how do you feel it?
It was a little crazy, but it was awesome to see the customization between the different tuk-tuks, and all the drivers are so enthusiastic, right? Like they're all racing. I was like, what? It was really, I felt like I was on the track.
Okay. So can you tell us like how did you become a pro racer?
Yeah, so just worked my way up from as a kid. It's a dream, right? I've always wanted to race motorcycles, and I think you just work your way up and you have your dream in your mind and you constantly focus. And you know, I just graduated through a different bike category, a bigger, and obviously won a few races, which helps, and was able to continue that path. And you know, now I'm here riding for Harley-Davidson. Right? It's crazy. The life. So has a story.
How old are you when you start ride a bike?
So I started when I was 5 years old, and I started racing when I was 6. When anybody asked me, I said I want to race a motorcycle, and I had Valentino Rossi as a poster, like many other, and yeah, it's just something that I've dreamed of, and I put everything else away. You know, no other jobs or anything like that. So it's what I wanted, and I chased it.
Wow, was amazing.
Kapkum Cup.
It's my pleasure to see you here today. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay. เป็นไงกันบ้างคะเพื่อนๆคลิปนี้หวังว่าทุกคนจะชอบนะคะเพราะว่าแพรเนี่ยพาคุณเจมส์นักแข่งของทาง Harley-Davidson มาเสิร์ฟเพื่อนๆทุกคนแล้วยังไงเจอกันใหม่คลิปหน้านะคะวันนี้แพรไปละบ๊ายบายฝาก Harley-Davidson ด้วยนะคะ